Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. But before we start the video, guys, I just want to go ahead and go on my YouTube and see, because the winner of my curl thing, which is last video, is, I already checked it already, like all, because like some of my subscribers are from my school, and I saw a lot of them say do normal, all of them normal. So guys, the winner that I will wear all the time is normal, which is this. And guys, this is the thing I wear now. It matches. Oh my god, the mermaid! Wow, she was so far away. Lagger. Either way, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Like for bacons, and let's go ahead and hop right in this bacon video. Bacon. Alright guys, we're in the video, and a hero killed the murderer. Woo! Either way, Xbox man, where'd the Xbox man go? He disappeared. Did you do it? Did you do it? Am I lagging or are you lagging? That's the question. Do I lag or do they lag? I think I'm lagging, Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm lagging. Either way. Go ahead, kill the... We need some tutorials. I'm making some tutorials too, bro. Alright, I'm innocent. I'm murder chat 3. I just joined the game! Who was the murder? Nicole. Usually stare at someone. I don't know. Candy girl. Tommy. Aww. Right, bacon man, you cool, yeah, you bacon man, 95 Robux, yeah, bacon man, you're rich, yeah, bacon, oh, you too, hashtag bacon soldiers, rich Ray, they're bacon. Oh my god, bacon likes bacon, blue bacon, I'll call you bacon. Blue bacon versus bacon. Fight. Wait, oh my god, just lost percent. Come on, innocent. Alright, dude, alright, bro. I'm in the mood for some sheriff. That's what I'm in the mood for. Sheriff. Oh my god. Who's the murderer? Who's the sheriff? I wanna know both. Murder, oh murder, where are you? Oh wait, is that? Oh, here. So we know the sheriff. He's green hat guy. Or we can call, what's his name? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. What's his name? Gonna go? Alex Pro 301. Alright, Alex. I can pick the code. Give me this. Something is sheriff. Show them, sheriff. Show them. He just busted your action. Show them, sheriff. Oh, hey, Blue Bacon, stop it! He's stealing every single coin. Hey, Blue Bacon, take one. Oh my god, there's the murder. Holy cow. No. Holy cow. Oh. Dang it, I died! He's camping, he's literally there! Look at him! Camper alert! Look at him. Oh, I swear to God, what's wrong with my internet thing now? Pressing E. Candy girl got the gun. Come on, Candy girl, shoot her! She died. I'm lagging so bad. What is this? I think it's just No, I'm lagging so bad, guys. When I record, I lag so bad. See? Oh, I lost connection. Great. I'll catch you guys when I'm back. Guys, we're back on the new game. And wait, did she just pull out her gun? Wait, did you pull out her gun again? Do you have the gun? I think it's her. I don't think I'm sure it's her. Yep, it's her for sure. Oh my god, the marker's right! He's literally right there. Oh. There you go. For sure. He has kind of good stuff. Wait. Oh my god. Some hunter knives, alright. But not bad. But yeah, he has cards. Oh, don't know what that is. Or is. But Lars is in there, so he has nothing that I need. Architects. See if he has something. So he has. Oh, he has Girl Scope. He has Nebula. He has. He's literally going. Going, bro. Hey, trade, bro. He declined me. It's like he betrayed me. He betrayed me, guys. Did anyone ever betray you? See, imagine I just shot this girl. Boy. Wait. You are weird. Cause I am like, your body's a girl. But you're a boy. Spark. You know, radio is with Roblox, man. Laugh out loud. Oh, it's you who declined me. We know that, dummy. Oh, what you gonna say about that? Oh, dude. Get booed. I don't know this word. Get booed. Live anew. You think you're pro because you have fancy clothes? Okay, actually, I'm not gonna do that because actually he's a pro because he has good levels. Either way. Oh my god, so that's bad. Run, dun 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 run. Alright, guys, gonna buy the hunter pants. Actually, I did something stupid. And look, purchasing. Boom, guys, we got it. We got the hunter. Lost in on Robux. Alright, guys, we're in the next round. Or maybe the last round. Oh! Alright, yeah, it's a. Oh, it pushed me in the sewer! I'm gonna let it load! Alright, so I'm gonna open a case. Wait, like I need 4 coins and I can open the case. But guys, I have an idea. How I go like not this like I go like I don't know. I'll just show you guys after. Let me just play this round. Give me 4 coins. Let me unbox and yeah. So she's sure I forgot. Like, come on, girl, stop being sure. And that's not your choice. I'm friends with Jordy, the creator. If you guys don't know Jordy's the creator, Jordy's the creator, Nicholas is the creator too. So don't get mixed up. Either way. Alright, guys, we're gonna go down the road. I really wasted 3K money for a radio. Wait, that's so bad. Turn the dawn. Please give me luck on the turn. Either way, guys, this is what I mean when I go my arrow. Come on, dude. Remember, guys, the window is normal, so I'm gonna stay like this. But when I go when I go to skin tone, actually, wait, is it skin tone? I don't think skin tone. I think, yeah, everything. Right. Wait, one second, guys. When I go, oh my God! Wait. When I go here, my ads, my computer. Oh, there we go. Left hand. Oh my God. See, you guys, my computer actually very bad. I'm sorry. Wait. Oh my God. Oh no, I don't want. I wanna use it. Smart. Alright, guys, I'll catch you guys when I show you the thing I'm using because it's taking too long. So, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and dress like this from now on. I don't know. I think it's good. I think it's better. Like, let me know, but see if you guys don't really want it. I don't know why, but I like it, and I think that even though I'm still gonna wear, I don't know, like, if I have like so much votes on the skin, I may wear the skin for a bit and that a bit, because this looks cool, guys, in my opinion. Now, hope you enjoyed that video. If you make the same bell, like, don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.